Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Science Activities using LABOXD Science Kit. Today's activity is spinning pencil. Pencil spinning is the activity which is based on the magnetic force. It is done using 4 magnets. 3 ring magnets are arranged in equal distances such that they repel each other. The 4th magnet, which is fixed to the pencil, is kept at the center, which is at equal distance from all the 3 magnets. The 4th magnet should be placed such that it is repelled by all the 3 magnets. When the pencil is balanced, give a spin. It stands straight and spins for a long time. The activity packet contains a procedure sheet, yellow board with required items, 3 straws, a pencil, 4 round magnets or ring magnets, a paper piece. Arrange the magnets such that same poles face the same direction. Separate the parts from the board. Fix 3 straws to the base. Fix the circular part at the top. Place the 3 magnets on the stand as shown. Now insert the pencil through the small magnet. Fix the magnet properly. Adjust the height of the stand. Keep the paper piece on the base. Keep the pencil at the center as shown and give a spin manually. Observe the spinning pencil. It spins for a long time. You can play with this as many times as you wish. Very amusing activity. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more such activities.